Hi everyone, Trish here. This is my first video pouring. I have watched a few and I've watched all different kinds. I'm not an artist, but I have had fun doing a couple different ones. So I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. It's so therapeutic for me. And I've had so much fun with it already. And this used to be what I jokingly referred to as Studio B. It was an extra place that I had. A little house we bought down at the end of our driveway when it became available. It's just nice and peaceful down here. If you are someone that has been doing this for a long time, I would appreciate any advice or suggestions that you could give me. I just want to have fun and enjoy it, record it, and hope that you enjoy it with me. So let me show you a couple that I did just pouring, and the only coating that I did was Mod Podge. But I want to expand to different kinds. I do have a couple. I have not used those yet. I did do this guy. It was so pretty. I'm going to choose my paints and what I'm going to do, and then I will be back. I'm excited. All right, bye. I'm just going to show you quickly what I'm using if you're curious at all. Like I said, brand new to this. I don't know what's good, what's bad, so I'm just swinging it. I got this at Home Depot. These are the colors, like I said, if you want to do a screenshot. Okay, I'm going to, am I crooked? I think I was, I'm sorry. I'm going to start mixing, so I'll just fast forward through that part. Okay, let me get my canvas. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. I will put it right here, I think. Yeah, I think you'll be able to see it nicely there. I'm going to do a circular . One of my things broke. That's why it wasn't level. Oh, I didn't even check that. That's okay. It's okay. I can fix that. Do or a take. I still don't know that this is thin enough. these colors up here. So I think I'm going to, I can't get that far enough away. Just lay it down there. Do our other one. I'm probably breaking every rule in pouring, but there is. And if I am, I apologize. Okay, this one is sturdy. This one is ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going too fast. I love that teal and white. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going too fast. It's not damn Trish. Wow, there's a lot of orange in here, but it's really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me do a zoom in. My first video and my camera's already covered with paint. Isn't that so pretty? Let me zoom that out. Okay. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this purple glitter, oh, it's so pretty. I wanted to add more of that too, and I didn't. But it is right in here. It is so pretty. I think I'm happy with that. What do you guys think? You can be honest, you're not going to hurt my feelings. Like I said, I am so new to this. I love the colors in this one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it so much. Let me know if there's any certain colors that you would like to see me do. So I'm excited. This is my lion picture, my warrior lion that I love so much that's in my makeup room. And this is the one that I had envisioned when I wanted some orange and purples to go. And this is the finished product. There's a glare. Let me turn the light off. Such a glare there. But this is the finished product, and I love it. I mean, I know I'm such a newbie, and I probably get excited over everything. I have not delved into the world of silicone. I did just purchase silicone the other day, but I haven't used it. I've done another piece the other day. It would have been my daughter's 34th birthday, and I just wanted to do something with a lot of colors, and I'll share that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.